What's going on, everybody? Just making a garage update video. Got a couple project bikes I've been working on. Start off with the Honda. This is a 2005 CRF 250X. I bought this bike. It's blown up, needed pistons and valves. All I'm waiting for on this is to get the head back, and then I'm gonna do all the piston jug work myself. Yeah, so this bike's pretty close to being done. Do need a clutch lever. Other than that, this bike's pretty much ready to rip. Came with a bunch of extra parts. It's got some really good tires on it, some Pirellis. Yeah, I was kind of had to buy it, you know. It's a good bike. Got it for a loaner for any of my friends, you know, that don't have a bike and would like to go riding. Yeah. So that's gonna be that bike. Main project is right here. This is my 2002 KTM 400 EXC. Bought the bike and it needed a lot of work. Got it home, realized front rim was bad. Built a new wheel, realized the brakes were shot. The calipers were all worn out and sloppy. I mean, there's just a ton of stuff that I've already done to the bike before tearing it down to what you see now. I've had the suspension all rebuilt, so suspension's fresh. What else? I mean, just basic preventative maintenance stuff I've done. Lately I've been acquiring parts, and this is kind of where I'm at right now. I did find a full exhaust. It's actually really good shape. Still has stickers on it. I mean, it's damn near brand new. Guy said it made his bike too loud. Didn't like it, so he took it right off. So I got a pretty killer deal on that. Radiators, all new radiators, radiator hoses. Started powder coating. Did pretty much black everything. Bar clamps got orange. Got black bars over there. All the engine covers went black. Turned out pretty good. Actually did this over at a buddy's shop, so my first time ever powder coating anything. I think it turned out pretty good. Radiator guards, these things were just mangled when I got the bike. You know, just took a hammer to it and straightened them all out. I think they turned out pretty good. Hit the jackpot the other day. Got lucky and found some frame guards. So I made a post on Facebook on one of these KTM pages looking for frame guards. If you know anything about KTMs, the older they are, the harder parts are to find. And frame guards was one of them that I just couldn't find. They don't make them anymore. A lot of stuff they don't make for this bike anymore. So I got lucky and I made a post asking if anybody had frame guards, and this nice gentleman out in South Carolina actually got with me and told me he had frame guards plus other parts. So I was looking for just these frame guards. I ended up buying everything this guy had. A lot of the stuff I have already for the bike, but a lot of it I didn't have, like small engine parts. And I mean, there's gaskets, there's a little bit of everything in here. Got clutch springs, clutch parts. Like that. It's like a radiator hose. Honestly, I don't even know. Just all sorts of little bushings, and I mean, there's bags and bags. Little parts in here. Some more, it's like bushings. All KTM factory parts. Brand new. This is actually not brand new. It's like some gaskets, which probably won't work. Just miscellaneous parts. They're all labeled part number, but I mean, there's probably 20 bags of parts in there. What is this? Oh, this is a kickstart assembly. So that was pretty cool. This was a used part that he just threw into the bundle here. So yeah, kickstart assembly, which I'll just hang on to. Got more gaskets. This is for the kickstart assembly. I got a shifter assembly. And believe it or not, I got all of this stuff for $60, which is insane. Super nice guy. He hooked me up. Yeah, I would have paid $60 just for these plastics, honestly. So yeah, I got a pretty good deal on that stuff. A lot of it I'm not going to use, but it's nice to have in case I ever needed any of it. So there's that. What else we got going on this bike? It's got the black Pro Taper bars. It's going to look sweet. And I do have black triple clamps, black mount or orange mount. Might not see it a whole lot, but just the little things. Just trying to make this bike as nice as possible, at least to me. Got gaskets, which I do need those. The motor for that bike is actually just waiting on me to take all my engine covers back over and the gaskets, and then I'll have the motor back for that. I decided not to tackle that one myself. Here we got like new mud flap. We got fork guards. This is all sorts of stuff in here. Exhaust gaskets. This is an exhaust flange. I actually had some trouble finding one of these, but it's in good shape. So yeah, that just mounts to the head and then to my dual header pipe, which I love about this bike is that it's got the dual header pipes. It's just cool. It sounds good. I don't know. I like it. So we got throttle tube, Pro Taper, aluminum throttle tube, and just air filter, PM stuff. Did get this front brake rotor, which I'm not sure if I'm gonna actually put this on the bike or not. Right now I'm going for the black and orange theme, but I'll show you here. Yeah, so going with the black and orange, mostly black, a little bit of orange. The frame will be orange, so that will all be KTM orange. Subframe will be KTM orange. Doing a black swing arm. Yeah, I got all black plastics, black seat, gas tank. So yeah, I'm not sure if I'm gonna actually use this or not since I have a gold pro wheel on it. Which wasn't really thinking I was gonna do all this work to it when I bought it, and went with the gold front wheel because it looks pretty cool in my opinion. Yeah, I'll probably end up swapping that at some point. And so I'm not sure if that's going on right away. Let's see. Went with arc levers. They're the composite, unbreakable. They're a little pricey, but if you watch any videos on these, I mean, they're very nice. They just flex the breakaways, and they, I mean, you can't break them. It's just not gonna happen. So I ended up going with those. Got another one in here somewhere. Yeah, here's the other front brake. Grips, all sorts of stuff here. Throttle cable, got exhaust clamps, which is cool. Came with owner's manual and all that stuff for that exhaust. Carb vents. Went with the orange, obviously. Everything's pretty much black and orange on the bike. Got here some oil filter covers. Got these really nice billet KTM oil covers. All this stuff coming out of this box I ordered off of motosport.com. So they had a lot of stuff I was looking for, but a lot of stuff they didn't have either, just because of the bike's age. And yeah. Oh, what else we got? You know, just new brake pads, oil seals for the engine. That's cool. Get a new skid plate, so that'll look nice. Maybe I'll powder coat that too, just because I can. Not that it'll hold. What do we got here? Okay, so I got wheel bearings, front and rear wheel bearings. I got chain rollers. I got the oil filters. Actually, that's a spare part. Counter shaft seal I've already replaced on that bike. Got another one. Yeah, hopefully I won't need that anytime soon. Oh, swing arm bearings. New chain adjustment, tensioner. Steering bearings, which is really nice. Basically everything on this bike is going to be how it should be from factory. I'm hoping it looks better than factory when I'm done with it. That's about it on the bikes here. Just wanted to do an update and show you where I'm at.